My people, I'm not coming to give you a speech, but just to greet you. Salam alaikum. I have been absent from the church for some time, not because I don't want to pray in this church, but because there were elements in the cathedral. Whenever I come, they talk and بطريقة ما بليغ بمقام بتاعي نكون هنا. But I have forgiven them. You all know that I'm the leader of the SPLM and SPLA. We fought the war of liberation with all our hearts and all our commitments until we liberated the country and we raised our own flag. It is now years from the independence of South Sudan. But نحن في SPLM SPLA العمل حاجة كويس إنه جاء freedom للناس. We went back again and fought among ourselves, something that increased our sufferings and we have been condemned by the whole world because there was no reason liberating the country and then turn the same guns against ourselves. I want to tell you today that I have forgiven Dr. Riek Machar, who has been fighting me since 1991. It will be up to him to apologize to the nation, or he doesn't. But I have forgiven him, and I fail to. Nanu mafrodenu we concentrate on the development of our country. We have no roads in South Sudan. في سنة الفات جاء فيضانات قبل كده ما جاء في جنوب السودان. To the extent that in Western Equatoria was flooded. كلكم عارفين إنه في Western Equatoria ما في rivers that can flood the area, but it was flooded this year. Now we should concentrate on how we serve our people. وما مفروض يكون شكل بتاع leadership. Power struggle will not take us anywhere. We have to look to our people, how to serve them. With these few remarks, I have nothing to tell you. Salam alaikum.